Now let's see the del combination part. So as it is a fixed frequency source, again select D sign, and the sub circuit we have created EX1. Now in a left shift there are 2 points we have to maintain. In the first point we have said that we have to insert a resistance of negligible amount such that 1 micro ohm in per phase into the each phase of the delta connected sources. So we have to insert a resistance in the with the each one of the sources. So select resistance and place them. And the amount of the resistance are very small, so let's take 1 micro. Now our line impedance is again 1 plus J20. So I'll do it with manually. You have to create sub circuit for this in your lab test, so lab report. So take resistance and impedance. Now let's complete this. Now this is our del connection. As we named our subcircuit RLC, so let's name this RLC1, RLC2 and RLC3. Okay, now our line impedance is 1 plus J20, so resistance is 1 and impedance is, as I have mentioned earlier, 0.05 by calculating. Now in the second point, we are told that we have to insert a balanced Y connected large resistors in the delta connected sources. So again we have to enter a Y connected resistance here. So select resistance and place them. Now make Y connection. And take ground and place the ground at the center of this Y connection. These resistance are very large values, so let's make them 1 mega. Now our voltage sources, our offset DC offset is 0, amplitude 100, frequency 50 and phase angle is 0 for this one. Now for this source, again offset value is 0, amplitude 100 and phase angle is minus 120. and phase angle is 120 for the third source. So we have done all this. Now again go to setup analysis, select transient, and we have discussed about it in the earlier video. So let's take pin step at 20 micro, final time 0.3 seconds, no pin delay 0, and step ceiling let's say 8 micro. Now simulate this. Our circuit is simulated correctly. Now let's take nodes so that we can calculate the results easily. Let's name it node number 1, this one node number 2, this one 3, and this one 6. Now if we want to see the line voltage, our line voltage is the voltage difference between node number 1 and node number 2. This is also the phase voltage for this one. So go to trace, add trace, so add trace, and if we select voltage number 1 minus voltage 2, this is our line voltage. Also we know that in del connection line voltage and phase voltage are the same, so this is also our phase voltage. Now for line current and phase current, our line current is the current between this line and phase current is the current between this line. So if we want to select line current, so let's simulate this. So go to trace, add trace, line current is the current going through resistance R4. So I R4, this is our line current, and our phase current is RLC1. So trace, add trace. So this is our phase current. Also you can see that our line current is √3 times of our phase current, which is a characteristics of del connection. So we can say that in this way we can calculate del circuit. Just remember one thing, that we have to insert this resistance in the source, and this is all.